good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn on and turn off subtitles on TikTok. First things first, what you'll want to do is open up your TikTok app. Look for a video with captions. Then, once you've selected your TikTok video, you can now proceed by playing that video. To turn off the subtitles, what you are going to do is click the subtitles. Then, a button will appear which says Hide Caption. What this option will do is turn off the subtitles of the video. Once you've clicked it, you have already removed your subtitles. However, if you want to turn it back on, what you can do is click on the subtitle icon down there, and then you will have your subtitles back on. And that's it! You can now turn on and turn off subtitles on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.